All right, guys, I greet you all. I welcome you guys to this new week and this episode. You know, hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. By the way, today is Thursday, and man, this is my first video of this week. I'm doing my first video today, being Thursday. For NEPA to give us light these days, it's like war, honestly. So, well, that is by the way. Um, Monday, Tuesday, I didn't take any trade. I took my first trade yesterday, being Thursday, and I wasn't able to record because we don't have light. That is why. So I was able to analyze with my laptop, and then after that, my laptop went off. So I just monitored the trade with my phone, then take the trade with my phone. It just gave us light this morning, so I decided to do this video. I took a trade yesterday on Euro USD, and all thanks to God, it was a win. I think this is my first time in a long while having two straight win. You know, it's been a while that I've taken that kind of win. Two straight win. It's been a while. So I took a trade yesterday, and it was a win, 1-3. You know, and as you all know, last week my last trade on Friday was also a win. So I will go to the chart now. So I can show you guys the trade. And also I have a good setup today on GBP USD and also Euro USD. Anyone that click, I'm going to take the buy there. It's a buy setup. So let's just go to the chart so that I can show you guys the trade, both yesterday trade and today's own. All right, guys. So this is the trade. This is the trade I took yesterday on Euro USD. Let me just show you guys the trade from my journal. So you can see this is the trade before the trade got triggered, and this is when the trade hits TP. So the trade was able to give me this 1:3. Let me see, close trades. This is the trade yesterday. You can see the date 27. So this is the trade, and I'm up 6% now, so almost 6.5%. So I'm just looking for 4% on this account now to pass phase one. Now I have another good setup on Euro USD and GBP USD. Let me first of all show you guys GBP USD. So this is the setup. So this is the setup on GBP USD, and there is news coming around 1:30. So if USD come out strong, then I think it will be able to push this trade down to trigger this point. But if USD come out negative, if you come out weak, then I don't think I'll be taking any trade today again, because this trade will push up. And when it push up, I'm not seeing any sell setup for today, unless the market get to this zone here and give me a sell setup, then I can take the trade. And this is the Euro USD. This is the setup on Euro USD. The same thing. we'll see. We'll see. This zone that I'm taking this zone that I'm taking this trade from Euro USD is a volume violation block, you know. But if you come to this GBP USD, you see that that volume violation block was tested. After the breakout of this volume violation, the market tested it. They claimed it immediately before the trade went up. You know, that is why I'm picking this my buy from this other block here. But if you come to this Euro USD, you will see that the volume violation block here was not reclaimed. The market purged outside it, retrace small and push up. I still have a I still have other block here, but I'm not going to take this trade from this other block unless this market come to this place, then give me a confirmation around this place from 5 minutes or 3 minutes time frame. Then I can take the trade from here. I cannot set a pending order here, you know, but here I will set my pending order here. But that is after the news. You know, if the news come out positive, then the market will drop. Even if it does not come down, even if it does not come down to this zone here, the market will push down a bit. You know, then I can set my pending order so that when it get to this point, it triggered, then I will be expecting a buy. So anyhow, I will update you guys. You know, when the market trigger, I will definitely update you guys. Alright guys, so this GBP USD triggered me, so, and I just closed the trade now at 1:3, you know, when the market get to this zone. So I had to close because the market might revise from this zone, and it might get to my TP. My full TP is 1:4.5, but at this zone it already gave me 1:3, so I just decided to close, you know. You can see the trade here. This is my last trade, close position, and it's 2828. So it gave me 1:3, 3%. So I think I'm good with that. Let me just, if this zone was a bit low, you know, I could have held, but at this point, anything can happen, you know. And this market has already left a good other block here, you know. So this I think that this, it might revise from here, tap into this other block here before it pushes up again. When this market was retracing, I thought it will mitigate this other block at once before pushing up, but it didn't. So it went up and then leaving this other block now, which means sellers will, which means this market might push down to this other block before pushing up again. So there is no need holding this trade to come down to this place before pushing up again. So let me just take the 1:3 and end it for today. Come back tomorrow and we'll do our thing again. I will see you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, good day everyone. I greet you all. For us to get lights now, it choke. I swear to God. It's just everywhere dark. Anyway, today is Friday, last day of the week, and last trading day of the week. And I just took a trade on Euro USD. I've been waiting for one setup on good, you know, to sell, but it didn't work out. So I took a buy on the Euro USD. Now about a few minutes ago. So we'll just go to the chart so I can show you guys the trade. All right, guys. So this is the trade. The trade just triggered me now. You can see the candle that triggered me. So, and this is 3 minutes time frame. It's 3 minutes time frame. So the trade just triggered me now, not long ago. And I'm going for 1:3. 1:3. So let's see. There is something I found out on this my account. You know, this account has been normally, as you can see, this 5,520 something. Normally, I'm supposed to have passed this account by now, you know, but I found out that I traded during the news, and this profit that I'm using is not like you can't it's not like you can't trade during the news, but you have to, you know, be on the trade 2 minutes before the news, and you cannot get out of the trade 2 minutes after the news. Okay, so on this case I found out that there was a trade I took last week. The first, is it last week or last 2 weeks? The trade hit my TP. I was on the trade already. I've been on the trade for hours before the news. But when the news came out, the news pushed that market to hit my TP. And that trade gave me 1:3. And according to these rules, any money you make 2 minutes before or after the news is going to be reduced 1%. So that means that this my 3% that I made that day is automatically 1%. They will remove the remaining one and just give me 1%. So now if you look at this my trade, my initial balance is 5,476. That is 9.5%, 9.5%. Now you have to minus the 2% that the news gave me. So I'm looking for 2.5%, 2.5% to pass this profit. I just found out this thing yesterday, you know. So but it's not going to be a problem, you know. If I've made 7 and something percent, I can still make this 2.5%. Even if I don't make it this week, I will definitely complete it next week by God's grace. So let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. I will update you guys later. All right, guys. So this trade just hit my TP. You know. Congrats to me. I just passed my phase 1. You know. So we are heading to phase 2 now. Let me just show you guys. Closed trade. You can see 133. And I've already sent me email that I've passed my phase 1 account. I will attach the certificate here though. So next week we continue with the phase 2. You know, this time around we're definitely going to get funded. Okay, so I'm wishing you guys happy weekend. You know, I will see you guys next week. Peace and love.